as hell when I taught you to drive. Your hands were shaking and then you held me tight. Deep green teary eyes can't hide any lie. Killing butterflies, you said that you have never felt so alive. Words say we're friends, but we touch with a compromise. We're lost in disguise 'cause of you. We love to deny there's something bigger between us, because where you go, I follow you. You're scared as hell to get caught up for life, 'cause what we got is hard to replace if you try. Deep green teary eyes find a place to hide. Bigger than the sky, time said that you have never felt so alive. Words say we're friends, but we touch with a compromise. We're lost in disguise 'cause of you. We love to deny there's something bigger between us, because where you go, I follow you. Call me that day, wanna make amends. Everything you do, I do. I guess that you play with me in all ways. It's something I'll let you do. We're connected flames, we burn stronger. Anyone else can never do. If you wanna play, let me be your guest. There's no you without what we do. Words say we're friends, but we touch with a compromise. We're lost in disguise 'cause of you. We love to deny there's something bigger between us, because it haunts you, I know too. We're lost in disguise, lost.
I am solo now. Has it been a while? Do you think it is that simple? How to finally be this happy now? Since I've been through it all, I've been living my life. Through these long days, not one single thought about you. I can live without you. Through these imaginary thoughts, what I even had a thought about you. Never think I can be this happy now. Take it easy and forget that you ever exist now. Don't ever believe that you will ever cross me now. You had your chance and your luck ran out. I'm just a boy, laughing at my life now. Being happy with myself, always feeling good somehow. What's great about my life is that my life and I, that we're a pair now. Who needs love when you're never gonna be in my life? I just think it's funny now, thinking that you chose to be with me. All of the lost hearts that you have shattered now, turned into broken pieces, and mine is just being non-existent now. Precious thoughts and call me mine. You really think you can just break me now? I already exist and can't be any imaginary thoughts, what I even had a thought about you. Never think I can be this happy now. Take it easy and forget that you ever exist now. Don't ever believe that you will ever cross me now. You had your chance and your luck ran out. I'm just a boy, laughing at my life now, being happy with myself, always feeling good somehow. What's great about my life is that my life and I, that we're a pair now. Who needs love when you're never gonna be in my life? I really don't care about what you think of me. I am out here living my life now. Through the thick and thin, I finally made it now. Alive and free from a broken heart. I don't need you. Through these thoughts that I had about you, never thought I would be this happy now. I'll make it easy now and forget that you'll ever exist now. Don't think you will ever come back to my life now. You had your chance and your luck just ran out.
Hey, how was your day? I don't know, it's 3 p.m., just about to start. I just wanna lay in bed. You think I could come over instead? I'd like that, but maybe, just maybe, we could slow it down, cause this can easily turn around. It's funny how you were all of my first. Who would've guessed you became my very first ex? We started in stranger situations, comes back in full rotation. If we had dialogue or miscommunication, promise I'll say this with more conviction. How was I supposed to know where this path would go? Typing these texts on my phone,